An ordinance to address gun violence in Indianapolis just crossed one of its final hurdles. Thanks for joining us. I'm Birchelle Edmay.
And I'm Nick McGill. This is the latest step city leaders are trying to take to curb violence in the city. The ordinance would ban semi-automatic weapons, raise the age of purchase a gun, and end permitless carry in Marion County. Now, the ordinance passed committee this evening.
But as Fox 59's Max Lewis tells us, the ordinance won't have an impact unless lawmakers at the State House pass changes too.
That's right, Birchelle and Nick. The ordinance passed out of the Public Safety and Criminal Justice Committee in a party line vote. Democrats voting yes, Republicans voting no. If passed by the full council, the ordinance will have no impact because the state has a preemption law which essentially prevents local municipalities from regulating virtually anything surrounding guns.
The ordinance would essentially act as a trigger law, going into effect only if that state law changes, similar to abortion laws passed in other states.
These policies were selected because they are supported by the vast majority of the people of the city of Indianapolis.
The ordinance was put forward by Mayor Hogsett as part of his efforts to target crime and gun violence in the city. IMPD Chief Randall Taylor says despite its lack of impact, it matters to the families who've been impacted by gun violence.
It's important to me, it's important to our officers, and I believe it's important to this community, so that's why we're doing it.
Democrats on the council agreed, arguing it not only sends a message, but could have an impact if the state's preemption law is changed.
I don't think it's posturing. I don't think that it's empty because it is codified and you will be able to point to it and look it up in municipal code for Marion County.
But Republicans argue that passing an ordinance that changes nothing immediately is a waste of time and the wrong approach.
These what-if statements don't work. Instead of trying to blame firearms, let's look at the people that are actually doing the wrongdoing and put them behind bars.
The meeting was often contentious with several outbursts from the audience. One man had to be escorted out.
Mr. Chair.
Lobbying groups like Moms Demand Action and the Second Amendment Project were on hand, pleading their cases as well.
Restrictions on assault weapons will most certainly help prevent mass shootings.
This is all about politics and not keeping anyone safer.
Now, again, the only way that this ordinance would have any real impact is if the state's preemption law was rescinded or maybe struck down by the courts. A legal expert I spoke with tonight said that is unlikely because preemption laws have been repeatedly upheld in state and federal courts. This ordinance is now going to go for a vote before the full council. That should happen next month. Birchelle?
All right, Max, thank you.